Yeah, welcome back, guys. This is KSFS Trader right here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to scalp volatility 75 with any um uh pattern at all. I'm going to use one example here. I'm going to use head and shoulder pattern. Most of us know all these patterns. We know almost all the patterns, but the problem is that we don't know how to trade them or how to use them. Now, a quick disclaimer, you should know that trading all this pattern in a lower time frame like 1 minute is very highly risky. So you must know your entry point, and that is exactly what I want to show you in this video, how to scalp any of this pattern in a lower time frame like 1 minute time frame and still make profits. Okay, now if you want to trade this pattern, you must understand some rules. Okay, when you are trading on a lower time frame that is highly volatile, you can see we are to enter our sell, and I will tell you why. Okay, we are to enter a sell now, and I will tell you why. After a little pullback, we enter our sell. So after this pullback, I'm going to sell. Okay, let me use the lowest lot size. Okay, so I will sell now. I'll be using the lowest lot size. Okay, so why did I sell? You know that this is a head and shoulder pattern. Okay, and we are not going to stay long. Remember, you must see the price going up, down, and all that. You should not be afraid when the price is reversing. You should know that you're on a trade. Okay, now look at the head and shoulder pattern. You already know when you see something like this. Okay, and a bit pull back, then the price start dropping. Okay, now you can see this is a head and shoulder pattern formed, and the question is, where do we enter this trade? Some people will enter the trade somewhere here or somewhere here or somewhere here. Okay, but I will show you why I entered my trade. Look at the right place to enter this trade at this point. Okay, but I entered late before this or this rejection. Okay, but watch, pay attention, pay close attention. Now let me do away with this. Okay, when you discover a head and shoulder pattern, let me draw something here. When you discover sorry, let me draw something. You see head and shoulder pattern, come down, it might be this way, then we're expecting that the price will go this way, right? Now remember, there will be pullbacks. Where are you entering this trade? You must wait until the price breaks this point right here. Okay, we have our support right here, so you must wait for the price to break that support. So you are not entering anywhere from here above. You're not entering anywhere here. Okay, you must allow the price to break this previous lows, that is the support level right there, before you enter your trade. Okay, you see how simple trading this strategy is. See how simple trading this head and shoulder pattern is. Now once the you can see where I entered my trade, I allowed, look at the price, the movement, look at where I entered my trade right here. The right place to enter this trade is here, after the price have broken these previous lows. These previous lows, you can see here, could serve as support level. Okay, so now when the price, currently the price is forming that's the place I'm going to place my stop loss after this formation, because I know it's forming something here, a kind of the next swing high. Okay, this is the area I will put my stop loss. Okay, this is the place I will put my stop loss as the price keep going down, so that I won't lose out on the trade. Okay, so what I need to do is just to set my stop loss there and close my trade, and that's close my chart. Okay, so look at the support level, and that is exactly where you should place. You are scalping. You don't expect this price to keep going down. This is 1 minute time frame, so you just pick, just make some profit and you go. You don't need to stay very long. You can just pick $1, $2, $5, depending on your loss size. See, I'm using the lowest loss size. So if you are scalping, you should know that you are increasing your lot size a bit, but you should know your capital, how much you have. All right, so this is a trade, a live trade. I've already shown you when to enter, when to exit. You take small profit and you exit. Okay, so I'm going to, because I'm scalping, I'm expecting that the price, look at the place, I'm expecting another next level support either here. You can see that's why the price is finding difficult to break here, okay, because it's a support, and the next place is here. So the best thing is to take profits whenever you see a support, so that it will not stop the price from going down, guys. Okay, so I'm going to take profits now, even though it's very little, but I'm taking profit because I'm scalping. So when you picture all these patterns, and you take this like 10 times, 12 times, this pattern keep forming in 1 minute. If you go to 1 minute time frame, you see that this pattern keep forming, it keep forming. Okay, so this is scalping strategy. You are not, you don't have to stay more than 2 to 3 minutes in this trade. Okay, higher 2 to 3 minutes. The important thing is you are profitable. You know when to enter and you know when to exit. You already see what I've shown you. Using this as an example, head and shoulder pattern, you allow the price to break the support. Okay, once the price breaks the support, you enter your trade and you take little profit and wait for another cycle. Once you see the pattern form again, you still follow the same process. Okay, the same way you can trade it on a higher time frame. If you discover it on the higher time frame, like okay, something like this, but this is not actually head and shoulder. You can see it's from here, 15 minutes time frame, the price move, from here to here. Let me use this, go up. So can we call this head and shoulder pattern? For those who are professional in all these patterns. So me, I just focus on 2 or 3 patterns. So you can see this, I don't know, just leave a comment. Is this head and shoulder pattern or not? Leave a comment so that I will learn from you today. It's not every time GSFS will be dropping videos and teaching you. I want to learn from you also. So check out this pattern and leave a comment if this pattern is head and shoulder or not. I want to know, guys. So just know that once you see head and shoulder pattern, you must allow the price to break the previous lows before you enter your sell or buy, depending on where it's for. Sorry, before you enter your sell. Okay, because this is why we lose trade. We lose trade not because we don't know what we are doing. We lose trade most time because we don't enter the trade on time and we don't exit on time. So your profitability trading depends on your entering point and your exit point. You see why the price will go up, because if you go down to a higher time frame, you discover we have a support right there, and that's why it will be very difficult for the price to break and keep going. So that's why, even though when you are trading, you should always check a higher time frame. Okay, even when you are using 1 minute time frame for scalping, you should always check higher time frame. You can see how the price, it kind of reversed upward because of the support on 15 minutes time frame. You can see that. So but if you still want to trade this, you will always allow the price to break a support level before you enter again. So it's a scalping strategy. You need to enter trade, pick $1, $2, $5, depending on your lot size, and you close. So guys, this is it. If you love this video, if you love what you just see in this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. If you are new, destroy that like button for me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now, guys.